Coming up with ideas for your YouTube videos can be really hard. In fact, it's one of the biggest reasons people don't stay consistent on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to show you the simple process to choose video ideas in 10 minutes. First of all, you have to have a core mission or problem that you solve in your channel because everything we do builds off of this. As an example, on this channel, I help course creators market their business with YouTube. So once you know your core mission or problem you solve, then you're honestly most of the way there. Next, you want to write this down somewhere. I find a whiteboard is most ideal, but to make this simple and to save you from my handwriting, I'll use a Google Doc. And as an example, I'll go with I teach busy people to play acoustic guitar. Now that you've written this down somewhere, you want to start breaking it down into the smaller problems that make up the main one. So for this example, it could be learning chords, music theory, strumming, fingerpicking, actually playing songs, and I'm sure there are tons more. And try to not overthink this. I wouldn't spend more than a couple of minutes here, and we just want the broad topics. Once you have these topics, you want to plug them into something we call title frameworks. Ideally, you'd get these frameworks from looking at competitors in your niche for something called outlier videos, which are videos that perform better than a channel's average. You can use tools like vidIQ to visually see this, but for now, I'll give you a few of these frameworks so you can get started immediately. These have worked across multiple niches on YouTube. So here they are. First off, we have how to topic, like, authority. Then we have number of niche tips in a year for a specific topic. Then we've got the first number of things to do for the niche, and then in brackets, tips and tricks. And then finally, we've got it's actually pretty easy to result. So plugging in our ideas to this, we could start off with how to fingerpick like a specific famous musician, how to learn guitar chords like a pro. And then coming to the next one, we could do 5 guitar tips in 2026 for beginners, or maybe 5 music theory tips for churches. On to the next, we could do 5 things to do when learning guitar, tips and tricks. Or maybe it's first 5 things to do when playing songs on a guitar, tips and tricks. Then for this last framework, we could do it's actually pretty easy to play songs on acoustic guitar, or it's actually pretty easy to learn guitar chords. Now, not all of these are going to be winners, and that's completely fine. The goal here is speed, because the more ideas you can have, the more likely you are to find a winner. If you keep these ideas written down somewhere, you can quickly then pick ones that excite you and start there. So in just a few minutes, you should have at least kind of 4 solid video ideas to go on. If you want, drop one of your ideas in the comments. But coming up with the idea is only the first step. If you don't plan the video properly, it's easy to get stuck. So check out this video where I'll show you how to plan your YouTube videos fast, so you always know kind of what you want to say in the video while this idea is still fresh.